This is funny, you know? You know, it's funny for how long I wanted to get some slider, just to make those smooth slide videos for products that I review. If you're like me and want to have some nice slide videos, then you definitely should stay here and watch this video. So last time I went through Amazon and I was searching for slider that don't cost too much, that offers me to have some nice distance, so it's not the smallest one, and it's portable. I will admit, I love those motorized sliders, but somehow they just cost too much for me at the moment. But if you like motorized slider, stay with me till the end and I will tell you which one is worth to buy. Okay, so this 20-inch aluminum slider was somehow best fit for me due to its size and price. You can easily control desired speed with this screw. So if you want to go faster, you go faster. If you want to go slower, even if you push harder, you just tighten it more and that's it. I was impressed how it actually can handle camera on it. Here are some sample shots of using slider in action. You can also use slider on flat surface. And just in case if it's not totally flat, you can level it a little with these tiny legs, and that's a big bonus for tiny slider like this one. Most of those small ones don't actually include it. Additional to the slider are those holes for add-ons like light or external monitor of your camera with these screws, for example. As an idea, yeah. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description below. And as you could see from it in action, it can be mounted on tripod as it have holes to install it on plates. And now about motorized sliders. We all know that motorized sliders can either cost a lot or they can be high quality ones. I had opportunity to test the one from GVM. You know, the company that I made review about their lights that I'm using right now, and I can control them through the application. Anyway, you definitely should check the links in the description below for this little slider. And if you're interested in motorized slider, check the link to the GVM. In case if you plan to purchase some of those, I would appreciate if you use one of those links. As with that, I do get small commission with no extra cost for you. That's it for today, guys. You know the drill. If you enjoyed in this video, press the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to press on the subscribe button. Also press on the bell notification. And see you in the next one. Peace!